大家好，我是13。那我现在要去车店。那上次之前在Daytona换轮胎的时候，在那家店有看到 RC30跟 RC50嘛。我在想那台 RC30跟 RC50可能是它的镇店之宝，我看好像也没有要卖的打算。很早之前的时候，我曾经有跟他聊过，那他有说过他可能就是买了之后转卖什么的，不过好像还没有卖，那应该就是想要一直保存那台车吧。那上次看到那台 RC50的时候，状况是很好，然后改装品也很漂亮，所以我觉得跟他讲我的需求的话，他应该比较懂啦。因为我不是说要把这台车变成什么全部翻新，没有，因为我之后也要有打算把这台车带去赛道，所以最重要的是要把这台车mechanically 就是所有的操作上啊、行进中啊、车况啊、安全的东西一定要处理到好。那至于是外观的部分啊，车壳一点小刮伤啊、小裂缝什么的，那我也不 care。我踩到后刹，因为后刹的拉杆歪掉了。前叉太奇怪了，那个因为漏油的关系，感受很特别啊。刚刚过来的时候，前叉就觉得很不稳，那漏油可能漏不少。我在看，还有把轮框也都浸湿了，那蛮糟的。那我在想，因为我还要打电话去另外一家专门去做 RC50前叉的店。那对，在附近，我坦白说，我以前不知道，原来有一些名店啊，其实是在加州，我之前真的不知道。不过那家店它因为店长好像也很老了嘛，那家店其实很老了，店长最近刚过世，所以他没有在做任何的服务，那可能要等一阵子。所以我现在想说，我看我等一下是要把它直接搬回原厂化呢，做整理，还是再等一下，然后换成 Ollins 的东西来 rework。好了，到了。OK。
I spent $28 on like a quesadilla and a bowl last time. It was nuts. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, cool. RC51.
Yes.
There you go. Have the same color scheme. Just
Nice. I remember seeing your bike, so like
yeah.
with the RC30.
Yeah, we had RC30 here. We were working on. We worked on an RC45 and a couple other things, but
Nice.
yeah, those are cool, man. Like,
Yeah.
where'd you find it? Because they're hard to find. Right?
I know there are. So for some reason I was like just browsing in Craigslist and whatnot, and then randomly I went on OfferUp,
Someone just had it there, huh?
and then someone was being like he's selling there, and then he needed the money real bad, and then I just like, hey, I've been looking for this for so long, like I'm just gonna pop up and see it, and then it turns out like there's 2 other people also looking for this bike, and then so I was kind of in a rush, and then I was like, you know what, I'll take it. I think motor runs fine. I mean the forks are blown, but
Yeah.
should be okay.
I bet you some of those potential buyers may have been like those like iconic motorcycles because
yeah.
they could buy those up right away.
Oh man, yeah. I look like over there. I think they're
10,000, I think.
right. Yeah.
So yeah, if you bought it for low, it's worth at least 10.
Yeah.
The closer you get it back to original, it will be like worth 10,000.
Fairings are like okay, some cracks there, but
The good stuff is you can still buy those parts originally. Honda still has them.
oh
You
really?
can still buy the plastics in it. They still have them.
Oh, I thought they don't sell plastics anymore.
They still have some left.
Oh, okay.
I was able to buy a tank because mine originally had a dent in it.
Right,
I was able to buy
okay.
a brand new tank for it.
Okay, nice. Okay,
they still have stuff
that's
left.
good to know. Okay, I know like the stock fenders are like impossible to find because I got the hot bodies too, right? So that's why everybody.
Yeah, mine's just cut. I renounced on the hot bodies.
Okay, but you had the original tail light too, right?
Yeah.
The square. Okay, I kind of wanted to back original. I'm not looking to like restore it, but I do want it to be like,
Clean up a little bit.
yeah.
No, yeah. If you're not looking to restore it, I mean, it's a great bike. They're still worth a lot.
Yeah, because I do plan to take on track days. So
there you go. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, there's still a ton of support for it. There are people who, yeah, there's still a ton of following and support for those things.
Right.
There's all kinds of people who do race parts and trick parts for it.
Nice.
Kyle Racing, they build their own cartridge kit for it.
I actually just called them because I was thinking about like getting the fork, their fork kit, but then I think Dan Kyle passed away recently.
He did, so his old assistants,
Right.
two old assistants, one guy, Mike, the guy who used
Florida,
to
right?
moved to Florida.
Yeah.
The other guy is kind of running it for right.
Yeah, because
they
like
do the valving in the front too.
yeah, because I definitely need that like fork rebuilt, but then I'm thinking might as well do the Kyle one because
Yeah, it's worth it if you want to. I mean, but they're pretty good stock.
Okay.
I mean, mine, I just have the upgraded valve bodies and then just normal and springs. I don't do anything.
Oh, you didn't do the thing.
I
Okay.
did the front. I just have the rear Owens on the rear side.
Oh, okay. Right. Yeah.
I mean, I find it handles fine, but if you want to go all out, you can go all out.
Depends on how much it costs, right?
Yeah, it could be expensive. Owens has gone up in price.
Yeah.
We'll check over.
Everything's gone up in price, and then like the wait time is crazy too, getting parts.
Oh yeah, part price.
Yeah. First inspection, and then it's got 15,000 miles. I don't know if it's not the time for valve.
It's valves and spark plugs and
Right.
coolants and brake fluid.
So
and
I guess
filter.
I'll be interested in that as well.
Okay.
So if you could put that all in, because like the rest of the minor stuff I could do it myself, but then yeah, I don't want to mess it with it, and then
Yeah, we've been we know them pretty well.
yeah, my concern is like if I get into it and then I screw up and I need to wait for parts, that'll be forever.
Yeah, no, they're cool bikes. I'm a big fan. It's like the one bike in my collection I'm not going to sell.
Oh, you're not gonna sell it, right?
Nah, I'm
Okay.
gonna hold on to it for a while still.
Right, so just sign where?
Just fill it up here.
Oh, right.
I'd
Okay.
probably sell my RSV before I sell that.
Is that which RSV is that? Millie?
RC4,
P4?
2017.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's newer, it's all high tech and all, but they don't. The new bikes just don't have the same feel. Every time I ride one around here, they just don't have that same.
Yeah. It rides really well. I'm surprised because people keep saying it's heavy, but then I find it feel pretty well balanced.
They're heavy.
They're heavy, yeah.
Compared to newer stuff, but no.
Right.
I mean,
Do I need my email?
They
Or?
handle really well.
Just phone
If you
number?
want, we can send estimates to it.
Oh, sure. Okay. Yeah.
But no, yeah, they're heavy, but compared to modern stuff, they're very balanced when especially riding. And on the track, they really come out alive.
Yeah, that's what I'm
People
hoping.
forget it was made to race against
It is,
the
yeah.
Ducatis at the World Super.
I know.
That was a World Superbike before they switched to inline fours. This was what was winning.
Yeah, I know.
It's very cool, man. All right, we'll look it over.
Oh, do you have the key?
Yeah, I did the key. We'll look over with a fine-tooth comb, and then we'll advise you on anything. And then
Yeah.
if you want to do valves, we can do that. And then spark plugs. And then if it has a washable air filter, we'll just wash it and clean
Yeah.
it. Or if you have paper filter, you may
Yeah,
need
thank you.
those. But
Okay, cool.
right,
Sounds
thank
good.
you, man.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Alright， 哇，不错不错，他店家，因为他之前有台自己的 RC51，所以要什么基本的料件啊，他都有。啊，那这样，如果整体做，因为我本来就要做大保嘛，里面引擎什么的 ，valve clearance 要 check 什么的，所以如果能一起处理的话呢，又没有太多钱的话，我可能就给他一起处理了。好 ，nice， 那现在就到这边，我们下次见，谢谢大家。